Okay, so we're back today with this S.PRO 7-pin Scandinavian oval. I had a wee pick at it yesterday and gave away a couple of wee tips that I use. But today I want to pick and gut and see what is inside this. So a little bit less chit chat today, and I just want to get through this lock and see what we've got. One thing I will say is I haven't gutted this lock. However, I did notice it had a massive sturdy clip on the back, which I had quite a battle with, but I thought I would remove it so that you didn't have to watch me struggle with it for 10 minutes and probably end up in hospital. And we have it open. Okay, so I'm going to lock this up. I don't know if I actually showed you with the key working. It does work with the key. There we go. And get this out of the vise. Remove the vise. And let's get some refocus on this. So let's have a wee look at what's inside this fella. I actually had to put on 2 clips for the simple reason the other one was so thick that it left some slack in the core if I didn't put 2 clips into it. Oops. Thank goodness I made this easier for myself, huh? Oh my goodness. Right, that's better. I am going to shim this because I don't know what's in it. Okay, so in chamber 1, standard. I'll bring these all up and show them in a second. Look, standard, standard. Looks like, oops. Looks like all of these drivers are standard drivers. And no counter milling in the core. So that's just nothing in there. But let's see what's going on with the driver pins. So in one is a standard. And two, we have a big spool. Oh, is it going to be spools all the way down? This is spool in 3 as well. Spool in 4. Spool in 5. Spool in 6. And, oops. Connect. And a spool in 7. So not as I thought. I thought I might have had a Christmas tree in there, and I'm surprised that the spools seem quite so catchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 1 spring left. There we are. 7. There we go. So we have standard standard key pins across the board. I'll lay that one down. And some, if this will focus. There we are. Some quite nice spools. In all the others. But yes, unfortunately, it is not Christmas, which is a little disappointing, but it was a wee eBay find. I've had a bit of fun with it. So thanks very much for watching. Cheers, bye now.